Yazi into engayibona mfethu ngobungozi besikweletu is that you can use isikweletu to try and convince the public that everything is just fine and you are progressing empilweni, you know. As mina when I was still employed, khona izinto engangizenza uthola ukuthi lezi zinto wethu ngalesikhathi ngisaya koyithatha, I know ukuthi impilo yami is going to be kind of like stagnant for about 3 years, you know. Ngesikhathi ngisakhokhela lezi ishandisi, yabo. Uthola ukuthi ngonyaka mhlawumbe wesibili, it's like uyazizwa ukuthi no man, ngathi nabantu bayangibona and ngiqilazekile, you know. So like how can I try and convince everyone that impilo is improving? Let me get something new. Isikweletu vele siyakwazi ukwenza uphinde uyosithatha. Yabo, because it's you know, it's there to help you look like you are improving, you know, when you're actually not. Yabo, I wish one day we can talk about debt without some people feeling like I'm exposing ezinye izinto about employment. No, uthola ukuthi nje akuhlangene nalezo zinto bethu. It's simply about debt, you know, because namanje mina ngiyibabona abantu like ukuthi abantu lama trends basawashaya, you know. When someone feels like impilo has been on pause for them for too long, you know, because they were busy with other things, you know. Umuntu phakathi nendawo engakaqedi ngisho kuba busy ngalenye ishandisi, you know, avela afuna ukuthola into entsha that's going to help them look like they are doing better and they're doing okay, you know. Ephinde futhi imphindisele emuva, you know. A lot of people survive by convincing the public that they're actually doing fine using credits. And mina ngabona lapho ukuthi vele credit iyingozi dog. Idlala ngomqondo, idlale ngama emotions. Sola ukuthi ufila down, you know. Uthosa uzizwa kahle mhlawumbe you going through a breakup or something, most of the ish ngathi nje mfethu ungathola a brand new phone. And like my employed so you've got like easy access to credits, easy, you know. Each and every time uzama ukufila better about a certain situation using credits, akupheli ngisho isikhathi esingakanani uphinde urealize ukuthi the same credits you took ikwenza ufile worse. People survive by lying to themselves about these things. Until you be honest to yourself about certain things, then you wouldn't feel some type of way when you see other people taking different directions in life, trying to do things differently. You know, I mean, I had to sit myself down and be like, I need to be honest with myself. You know, I wasn't deep in debt, but ngangibona ukuthi yabo njengoba mfethu ngisazohlala isikhathi esingaka la, ngizoloko ngisebenzisa le shandisi, you know, to convince the public that I'm improving and I'm progressing. Ngiphinde futhi ngishone emumva kakhulu, you know. Ngithe mfethu ngiba honest about le ashandisi. Yaphinde yangisiza nakwezinye izinto to stop doing things to fix my image. Because a lot of people are actually investing on image. They're not investing on generational wealth and whatever. Abantu abaningi bathemba into eyodwa mfethu, bathembe i-life cover. Ukuthi hayi mangishona ingane zizothola imali emsebenzini plus ne-life cover. But uthola ukuthi your whole life, when you are still trying to move, you know, through your entire life of employment, you've been struggling, you know, only to live igidi ezo enjoy abanye abantu, you know. So you are going to use your own debt to benefit, or you're going to use your own debt as a benefit to your, like, it doesn't make sense. Like, for me, it doesn't make sense. Why is that the only way to build wealth? I don't know.